Hi everyone, here we've got REALME X3 SuperZoom, and let me show you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app. Now make sure that you're in a video mode and select the settings. They should be in the right upper corner. Scroll down and find the video resolution. Here we've got some options to choose from, as you can see. Let me choose, for example, 4K, and let's get back. And actually that's it. Now the 4K is applied and you are able to record videos in the new chosen quality. So that's all. This is how you change video resolution in your REALME X3 SuperZoom. And thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up.